Hello po muli sa inyong lahat at welcome po sa Wednesday edition ng The Stock Market Today, June 30, 2021, katapusan ng buwan, kalahati ng taon at last Wednesday of the month. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chodoro, isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. And I do this report daily na nag-start po noong August of last year. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. And if you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. If you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ang balita po natin ay tungkol sa Ayala Land at ang resulta ng trading sa ating Philippine Stock Exchange ngayong araw, June 30, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. So let's start with our news from the business world. Ayala Land develops waterside district in Cebu. Ayala Land Inc. is developing a 26-hectare sustainable waterside district in Cebu called South Coast City with SMPH Holdings and Cebu Holdings Inc. Joint venture siguro ito. It is a contemporary development with the latest urban innovations, while at the same time capitalizing on seaside views and having Cebu's beaches in a short drive away, or just a short drive away. Senior Vice President and Head of Ayala Estates Group, Ana Maria Margarita BD, said in a media briefing on Tuesday. The project, located within South Road Properties, will have nearly 2 million square meters of built-out area, 30% of which will be for residential spaces and 70% for commercial centers. It will feature a 2.7-hectare commercial center called District Square. The center will have 11 commercial lots for sale, ranging from 1,777 square meters to 2,601 square meters. The block development construction of District Square, which is more than halfway through, is aimed to be completed by June next year. The South Coast City will feature a 1.1-hectare park, a convention center, and Cebu's first arena, among others. The estate is also designed to be pedestrian-friendly, with a 4,000 square meter park lane pedestrian system to connect areas of the commercial center. So this will be good news for Ali na merong buy si BDO Nomura, and may I share with you the commentary on that news. The launch of the new mixed-use development should support earnings recovery for Ali as property demand picks in tandem with a reopening economy. We have a buy rating on Ali with a target price of 45 pesos. Ang Ali yesterday was priced, or the closing price for Ali was at 36.15. So let's now take a look at what happened to the Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Okay, guys, sorry po sa ingay, no? May kinukumpuni lang po sa bahay namin. Anyway, the PSEI lost 54.74 points or 0.79% to end at 6901.91. Nasa 6,900 pa. And the stock is still, the index is still bullish as our indicators are under the candlestick with the RSI as 59. Actually, nagko-consolidate lang po siya. But there is still an upward trend on the index. Now, as for the market activity, 109 companies declined, 94 Advanced 1247 remained unchanged. As for the all-share index, it lost 0.42% or 17.79 points, while the sectoral indices ended mixed. The industrials, mining, and services ended in the plus side, while the financials, holding companies, and properties ended on the negative side. As for the market status, we will be reviewing the top 10 stocks. These are Ali, MONDE, SMPH, ICT, Emperador. Then we have JFC, BDO, AC, SM, and BPI. So let's now start with Ali. Guys, sorry po sa ingay, no? Ali lost 10 centavos to end at 63.05. And actually, trend is bearish, but in general, it is still doing a sideways movement with support. Ito po yung support is at 36, while resistance, short term lang po ito, is at 38.30 to 38.40. So 36 po siya, yung support. But again, when I talk of support and resistance, this is not exact points, but these are areas or range, a range, no? And then we have MONDE. Si MONDE talagang sumisipa siya. Ayan, no? Look at that, no? So it gained 48 centavos today, or almost 3%. And the stock is bullish. Actually, what I can do is just draw a parallel channel, because that is the general direction of the stock, no? Yan po. So, yung low upper channel, yan po yung support, and lower channel po, upper channel po is the resistance rather, and the lower channel is the support. In general, the current support level, which is the lower end of the channel, is at 1540, while the upper end of the channel, it's at 1703. Yan po yung general direction po ng stock, or let's say at 1680. Yan po yung current resistance level. And then after MONDE, SMPH. Okay, SMPH continues to move sideways, and today it lost 1 peso and 2 centavos, but it is still within the Darvas box. And let's draw the Darvas box. Yan po yung Darvas box. In general, it's moving sideways with the upper level at 38.50 and the lower level at 36. And then after SMPH, that's ICT. Okay, ICT continues to move upwards, at nakikita nyo po itong yellow line na ito. Yan po yung 20-day exponential moving average, which in general is acting as a support for the upward movement of ICT. And right now, this is already the highest level. So yung 52-week high niya of 165 is the high of today of 165. So I believe that this is the highest in so many years, no? Kasi hindi umabot ng ganito si ICT in the past. So it has reached the highest level already in so many years. Then kasi hindi po natin malagay yung resistance level dahil wala po tayong past data. Okay, and then we have Emperador. Ito, all-time high din to. Ayan, no? So, talagang nag-surge siya. Emperador is surging. And it gained 78 centavos today. It had a breakout. Actually, it already had a breakout in the past 2 or 3 days. But this one is another major breakout with a 52-week high of 1282. So na-reach na po niya yung highest of the high. And we'll never know where it will go, no? Although the RSI is telling us that the stock is already overbought. So hindi ko po masabi yung resistance level niyan dahil we are looking at a new high. Now, the support level, ang masasabi ko lang is the support level, pwede nating ilagay dito po sa 10.70. Yan po yung nearest support dahil meron po tayong data on that. And then after Emperador, JFC. Si JFC, marami siyang overseas expansion. So, doji siya. Ended flat at 213.60. But in general, it is still in a bullish trend. RSI is at 65.97, which is bullish, Now, this is already resistance level. Yung 21360. Kasi po, ito yung highest level niya before. Yan po, 21360. Yung previous level. Pero po, alam niyo po yung Jollibee, umabot siya ng mga 300 yan. 300 pesos. Kung next resistance po pag-uusapan natin, nandito po siya sa bandang 232 to 233 pesos. Yung next resistance level po niya. And the stock is moving up as the RSI is already at 65.97. And then BDO. BDO is another stock that has moved up, and right now it is consolidating at this level. So yung support level niya is holding at 113, while the resistance level nandito po siya sa 117 to 118. Yan po yung nearest resistance level ni BDO, pero 126 po yung level niya after that. Again, when I talk of support and resistance, these are not exact points, but these are areas. Ayala Corporation is next. Okay, Ayala Corporation, again, just consolidating. And again, if we'll draw a Darbas box here, yan po yung higher level. Yung higher mark niya is the resistance, and the lower border is the support. So nasa 836.60 to 70. And the resistance or the support level is 792.22. Support is 792.20, while resistance is 836.60. Now, give or take a few points po yan. And then after Ayala Corporation, SM. Okay, SM, again, still moving sideways. In general, the index fell today, but not so much, kasi 54 points, 54 points yung binaba niya. Pero it is still within a level wherein it has room for an upward movement. Again, we'll take a look dito, Darvas box again. Upper level is 1017 to 1018, while the lower level will be at 880 to 890. Diyan po si SM. And then finally, BPI. Okay, BPI continues to move upwards. Again, if I will draw a parallel channel, kasi it follows the EMA20. Yan po siya. Yeah, more or less po, dyan po siya naglalaro. And the upper border or the upper channel would form our resistance, while the lower channel would form our support. And it is bullish as the RSI is at 61, and it continues to move upwards. So the lower channel, yung support po natin is at 87.30, while the upper channel is at 90 to 910. Yun po ang ating report sa stock market. June 30, 2021, katapusan ng buwan, Sweldo Day. Ito po si Benji Chodoro, nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtangkilik at pagsubaybay. Hanggang sa muli, God bless and bye for now.